We meet new people all the time, whether it's at work, at a party, or through friends. Sometimes people might feel shy when they speak in another language. Does this sound like you? What do you say? What do you talk about? Today's video is all about starting conversations, how to make small talk in English. Hi, my name's Joe, your English specialist, and this is Hula. Now we all know starting conversations isn't always easy, and keeping it going is even harder. How do you keep it interesting? Today, I will focus on 4 tips to help you with small talk. But first, what is small talk? The purpose of small talk is to get your foot in the door. These are small conversations that give you an opportunity to talk to someone, and it's usually casual or fun. Let's start with number 1. Give a compliment. For me, this is an easy way to talk to someone. A compliment is when you make a positive comment about their appearance or personality. It's a great jump-off point, as it makes people feel good. You might say something like, "Oh, I really like your watch," or "You have really nice glasses." Number 2, connect with common topics. Great conversations start with a great topic. Think of all the amazing talks you had with friends and family. What did you like to talk about? What was it about sports, beauty, fashion, or travel that made it interesting? Well, I will show you 4 conversation starters you can talk about. Travel. I love this topic. It's inspiring and uplifting, and people can relate to it because many people have been somewhere. You might talk about travel plans or maybe about a place you've been to. I might show some pictures of my travels on Instagram. Wherever it is, we are always curious and want to be part of the conversation. Food. Seriously, who doesn't love to eat? If you know me, I love food. Any conversations I have kinda ends up with food. Even right now, I have text messages about food. So, you can easily start a conversation with this topic. You could be at a party and make a comment about the food. You might ask someone what they think about it. Either way, it gets the ball rolling. Life. Life is about the things we do and the relationships we have. Every culture and every individual will have an interesting story. Even if you're from different cultures, people often find ways to connect. You can talk about what's different and what's similar. Being in the USA, I meet people from all over the world. It's always interesting to talk about things like our passions and hobbies, family, culture, and so on. Work. Work is a pretty typical small topic. It's a quick way to get to know someone. You can ask, "What do you do?" and "How did you get into that?" as a way to start the conversation. However, I wouldn't spend so long talking about work unless everyone is passionate about the topic. You can use it as an entry point and get to know someone. Number 3, ask open-ended questions. Good conversations have good questions, but what makes a good question? Okay, so let me ask you these 2 questions. Do you work? What do you do for work? Which one is better? The second question for sure, why? Because it opens the speaker up. They are more likely to engage in the conversation. Open-ended questions allow speakers to expand their answers. It gives them a chance to talk more, which is exactly what you want small talk to do. If you ask, "Do you work?" well, the answer is very short. Yes. The end. It kills the conversation and it can be boring. Ask questions like, "What movie do you like?" or "Where are you from?" Give them a chance to speak. Number 4, seek advice or opinion. So as the conversation keeps moving, you'll find out more about the person. They might be an expert in a skill or they have some experience with something. And asking people for their opinions or advice makes them feel more engaged. People are happy to give that as long as it doesn't take up too much time or effort. For example, you are at a party and someone is talking about a restaurant. You might ask their opinion about the food or the ambience. You can ask, what do you think about the menu? Or how was the food? Alright, now you have 4 tips to help you with small talk. Get out there and start talking. I want to know how it went, so leave a comment down below. Make sure you subscribe and follow me on Instagram. My name is Joe, your English specialist, and this is Hula. I'm very happy to see you guys again, and until next time, peace.